Welcome back. As we enter the countdown to Halloween, I thought it would be fun to explore some of the things we can do to make creepy, or in this case slightly cheesy, videos. Download a dripping blood effect video, this one I got from William Justice, link in the description. Import it into your project and drag it onto the timeline on the edit page, specifically onto video track 2. In this example the blood flow is quite slow, so select the clip and open the inspector. Go to the speed change section and expand if required. I change the speed to 1000%, but adjust to your requirements. Change the composite type to foreground. Now add a text clip underneath on video track 1 and adjust the length to match that of the video clip. Go to the inspector and type in the title that you want to see and choose a font. I have downloaded a font called Misfits, after the punk band The Misfits. Adjust the size and position as required. Go to the Settings tab of the text clip in the inspector. Go to the Composite section and select Alpha. When you play back you should see the blood drip effect happen behind your text. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe.